Darshan Chabadia, Vimal Varsani, and Kishore Varsani. Please make your way here. So, ladies and gentlemen, Vishal, પછી નામ બોલાય તો ઊભું ના રહેવાનું હોય. Please, can you? Are we all there? Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a very big round of applause for this young team? They have really tirelessly worked hard for the last 2-3 months to make sure that you have the most entertaining Mela during Diwali. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for making this event a success. Is the hard work of this team. Can we have a very big appreciation for them? Thank you, team. Keep it up. Trucks and buses, Mr. Bobby. Mr. Bobby. Are you there? Now we have someone from the Aga Khan Hospital, Mrs. Ruth.
Boys and girls, I'm here delighted to participate with you on this day, which is a religious day for you Asians. But we have been celebrating this day together. I've been in Mombasa doing the same. So I would like to just say thank you for recognizing us and inviting us also here to sponsor this event that has been very successful. Thank you very much. I'm here representing Trans-Africa Motors. We are dealers of 4 vehicles in this country, imported from China, but we are assembling them locally in Mombasa. So I would just like to say, if you buy FAO, you are buying a locally assembled vehicle that is going to serve you well, that has been manufactured, putting in mind the climatic conditions that we have around here, the kind of roads we have, the kind of terrain we have. So we are giving you very strong vehicles that will serve you and give you value for your money. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Bobby, and I'm very sure everybody knows me around here. I represent a company called Mobiki Motors. We are present in 3 countries, Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania. And we are the dealers for Boton trucks from China. We are also dealers for MAN trucks from Europe. We are also dealers for Deutz tractors from Germany. All our trucks are assembled in Kenya, and our tractors are also assembled here in Kenya. I am very delightful and thankful to all of you for such a good support that you've given us today. Thank you very much, and happy Diwali to all of you.
They've been born at Aga Khan Hospital. So it's a trademark hospital, so people cannot forget you. So you have some few suggestions for them and what you offer. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ruth Kaiga from Aga Khan Hospital. We are known as the hub of specialist services. This evening, I just want to create awareness about 3 of our main services. But one, I want to thank you all for the partnership that you've given us throughout the years, for giving us the first choice when you think about medical help. Thank you so much for being there throughout the years until now. Next, I would want to also inform you that we have opened another Aga Khan Medical Center, Kabarnet. We are now in Kabarnet, so in case you're in Kabarnet for business, In case you are in those sites for business or for a trip, just know that there is Aga Khan Hospital in Kabarnet. We are now 3 months old in Kabarnet, so please feel welcome. Two, I would like to create awareness about our cancer services, our oncology services. October is a month of cancer. It's known for cancer. October is a cancer month. So this October, we are giving 40% discount on a few of our services. We are giving 40% discount on oncology consultation. In case you want to consult with an oncologist, we give you 40% discount. HPV, pap smear, PSA, mammogram, breast ultrasound. The month of October, we're giving 40% discount. So feel free and come and see a specialist. October and November, we are also doing free eye screening for 2 months. We are doing free eye screening for 2 months. So whether you are a child or an adult, whether you are in Kisumu or Eldoret, Kericho, all our centers, so long as we have a clinic there, an eye clinic, we are giving you free screening. So please feel welcome. And lastly, today, if you've not checked your BMI or your pressure or your weight, please pass by our tent so that you can check. Just do a basic medical checkup. Otherwise, those are my 2 minutes. I want to wish you all a happy Diwali and thank you so much. From Aga Khan Hospital, we care for you.
Very big round of applause for them. At this moment, I would like to thank all our sponsors who have been supporting us year in, year out through our event, and we only have one major event in the year, and that is this Mela. Whatever is collected, part of the money goes to charity, distribution among schools and the needy community. Thank you very much for your sponsorship and for your support during this event. We will straight away move to the prize giving. We have the 30th prize, Star 50 kilogram sugar bag. This has been donated by Kibo Sugar Allied and Industries Limited. I will ask Mr. Jitu Patel to come and pick the ticket. And do we have anybody from Kibo Sugar here? Do we have any of the staff from Kibo Sugar? Come in the front. Pick your tickets from the front. Okay, this sugar bag goes to Harish Khetani. Harish Khetani. Congratulations.
तुम लोग इधर नहीं आना नहीं वीडियो बना तू जा ना इधर
Okay, I can see someone coming. Jay Patel. Okay. Pick, okay, this ticket, this prize goes to Mr. Bindesh Shah, Nairobi. So, who, can I have Mr. Anand Patel to give out this prize? Mindesh Shah. Who sold this ticket? Okay, come. Yeah, price come. So, Jay Patel, please hand over. The 28th prize is water dispenser donated by Digital Zamana. Can I ask Mr. Raujibhai Amba Varsani, if he's around, to pick the ticket? And do we have Aftab or Mr. Galib from Zamana? Are they around? Okay, this prize goes to National Printing Press. Rauji bhai, jara de do tame. Can I ask Kishore? Congratulations.
वो टिकट गिरे आ रही है
So we move on to the 27th. It's Ramton's stand fan donated by Sun Electricals. Do we have Mrs. Komal Chotai here? Or Mr. Nishit Chotai? Anybody from the family? Okay, can I have Mr. Pritesh Patel of Victoria Healthcare? Is he around? Pritesh Patel of Victoria Healthcare. We'll wait here. This prize goes to Skylark Construction. Jetu, can you please present this? Congratulations. Okay, we have the 26th prize. This is an air ticket from Kisumu, Nairobi, Kisumu, and also present it. Yes. A blender. चश्मा लगाओ तो चेयरमैन चश्मा लगाओ. Okay, this ticket goes to Arjun Soni from Apex. Still, Arjun Soni, are you there? तो यंग मानस जो दौड़ता दौड़ता अति दौड़. So 24, Shivani Rabadia to pick this ticket. Yeah, please. Can I call upon Lalubai fast food? So this prize goes to Madhav J. Patel. Who is the lucky winner? 0713 405 168. Are you there? Madhav Patel. Lalubai, thank you. Congratulations. Madhav Patel. This prize goes to Wareng Dovu Eldoret. Wareng Dovu Eldoret. Can we have somebody from Wareng Dovu? What is the prize? 40-piece dinner set. Can we have Mr. Naresh Vekaria? Please present this prize. Naresh, you'll pick on behalf of Dr. Hanif. This prize goes to Dr. Hanif. That's, I think, Dr. Hanif Gilani, if I'm not wrong. Thank you, Pari Saksa. Thank you, Pari Saksa. ये तो है ना किशोर ने देव पर किशोर. This prize goes to Mr. Rajesh Deri, Nairobi. Mr. Rajesh Deri, Nairobi. This has been sold by Dama. So, Danan. Dama's son Danan. Actually, go and present this prize. Sets of travel bag. With this prize, Pritesh Kerai, care of Saddam, Nairobi. फैमिली मोटी से सूटकेस मोटी जो है ओळखीता ने बोलावे છે. So I'm just speaking randomly. So this prize goes to Radhika Sedani. Please present this prize, madam. Just come back. She's just landed today, and she has come with lot of luck. Pick this prize. Okay, this prize goes to Jilna Jayman Patel. Jilna Jayman Patel, Busia. Please present. Thank you. You are lucky girls. The next prize is 10 gas stove. This has been donated by Ziva Patel, care of Nira Distributors. Can I ask Mr. Newton Chanti from Basco? Open it. This prize goes to Swami Merchandise Eldoret, care of Jitu.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you. We will buy Jitu and Newton. I now call upon the Aga Khan Health Services, Aga Khan Hospital representative. Can I call Ruth here? And if you have a partner, it will be 50% off. Health checkup. Oh, it's only for one person. I thought. Okay. Open. I hope it's not stuff from the Aga Khan Hospital. Sorry. This is Kavya, Bondaria, Mombasa. This is care of Sham. And Danan, can you transfer this facility to Mombasa or they have to come to Kisumu? So the person has to travel 30,000 shilling. You can talk to your management. Yeah, you can discuss with them. Thank you. Donated by Butali Sugar, 100 kg. I'll call upon Jentibai. Jentibai, please pick this ticket. Again, this prize goes to Virji Vishram Varsani, Mombasa, care of Sham. Jentibai, Devani છે. Jentibai, Satesh Bua to pick this ticket, and Mrs. Vilash Movalia to issue this prize. Air fryer. Manju. Photo हमने last week air fryer ली थी.
Photo.
This prize goes to. Congratulations. And I will call upon Ramila Ben Harish Vekaria, the lady in charge of the food department. This prize, it's a generator sponsored by Dubai Access. And this prize goes to sorry, my apologies. It's home projector. Goes to Dinesh. Is it thermal power or what? Thermal power. So it's steam power. Nairobi. Chandu bhai. Ria Hirani. ઘરમાં જ રહ્યું. So પાસ્તા ને ખાવ છો તમે લોકો? ખીચડી રોટલા હતા એ આગળ. Thank you, congratulations. We move on to the next item. Can I call upon? Okay, just pick the prize. One. Congratulations, Arjun.
Price broker.
Hardware dealers. Mota, are you there? Kena, Leo price is also increasing. और केना को बोलना अच्छी तरह से केक खिलाए. Shashank is a sound bar. Sony sound bar. So this prize goes to Yamna Govind Kabaria. To pick this prize.
No.
Sorry, to pick it. Priyansh Padra. Anybody from the family of Padra? Can I ask Mr. Rituraj? This prize goes to Mitra Pharmacy, Kakamega. गर्मीના દિવસો ચાલુ થાય. Oh, again this prize goes to Dr. Hanif Gilani. Congratulations, Ganji bhai. Please pick this prize for him on his behalf. And I will ask Ravi bhai and Chandu bhai. Now, this is a 55-inch QLD. This prize goes to Top Mat Machinery, Nairobi. એની ધનતેરસ વહેલા ચાલુ થઈ જશે. પછી લાગ્યા પછી પણ ઘરવાળા તમને હેરાન કરે તો અમારી જવાબદારી નથી. ચોખવટ કરી દો.
સાચી વાત છે.
This prize, સારું છે, આ કોઈ સાંભળવાનું હતું નહીં. This prize goes to Sima D. Halai. Kisumu. Danan. And this, I will call upon Mr. Narendra Pala. Are you there? Narendra Pala. ધંધો વધવો જોઈએ, ધનતેરસથી કરીને લાભ પાંચમ સુધી. આપણી કોમ્યુનિટી છે એટલે ગુજરાતીમાં જ કહીશ. હમણાં એક ક્લિપ જોતો હતો, એમાં એક સંત વાત કરતા હતા કે લેડીઝ લોકો છે ને જ્યારથી કપડા ધોવાનું મશીન આવ્યું ત્યારથી ધોકા ઉપાડવાનું ચાલુ ઓછું, ધોકા ઉપાડવાનું બંધ કરી નાખ્યું. કે એટલે હવે એના છોકરાઓ બધા એનો માય કાંગલા થઈ ગયા. કે હવે એ લોકો છોકરાઓમાં કઈ સાંભળતા નથી. પેલા જયારે ધોકાઓ લઈને ચાલતા ને લેડીઝ બધા ધોકા રાખતી ને ઘરમાં, એટલે એનો પ્રભાવ આખો જુદો પડતો. પણ હવે પુરુષો ગભરાય છે એટલે વોશિંગ મશીન રાખે છે. Can I call Miss Becky Malama? Hello. I will call again Shashank to come here and pick this prize on behalf of hardware dealer. And Motane KJ. Please be there. Music. This has been sponsored by Car and General, and I will ask Mr. Chandu Chabadia to pick this draw, and I will call upon Mr. Martin Ramaya, our main sponsors of this event. Then we'll go for a redraw if you win the prize. Then we will go for a redraw. This prize goes to Mauji Karsan Budia. Dhruv na vevai છે. Dhruv, સસરા. No. The condition is you have to wear that. No. Safety first. Wear that. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Happy Diwali and a happy prosperous New Year. Thank you for your